This is just a simple recording. I had an issue at work where, as an installer, I was told, because someone burned up their solar panel controller, I was told, hey, you got to look this over and verify that the controller will work with the number of panels. And I'm like, but I'm an installer and that's sales' job. So I made this in Godot real quick. For the sales, where they can pick. Right now I only have 2 panels program where they can pick the solar panel and up to 19 different panels, and it shows watts, and VOC is the main thing because that will really burn up a solar controller. So let's see, we'll do 7, and then out of 14 we can do 2 in series, 7 in series, or all 14 in series. And then we do parallel, and that equals 14. So amps is 152. VOC is 152. If we use Midnight Classics calculator, amps is 194 for some reason. Requires a really hefty controller for 14 freaking panels, or 2 controllers. 7, we can only do 7 in series, or this is a bug with the Godot, so I don't like it. Or 7 in parallel. Gets us 76 amps at 21.8 VOC. So a 180 a controller would work for this. Main thing is watts. Anyways, I want to continue on this, which is why I'm in Delphi. Because Delphi, I can just, my plans is we just edit these values, and then we can add the panel. And so I don't have to have a text file with the stats here, and it can just be added on the fly. And then you can delete panel. But the main thing is this in Godot is a ComboBox. No, it's not a ComboBox. It's I don't remember what the hell it's called. But you know, so you pull down and you can pick the item. You can't do that in Delphi. This is Delphi Pascal Community Edition. And like these things, I'm using multi-computer stuff, so I can eventually put this on Android and iPad. Because all the videos I looked up, this is an ancient language, and even the AI was wrong in telling me how to do this. All the videos, they have the ComboBox, which is what this is. ComboBox total panels, and everybody uses the ComboBox with a separate select button. So they choose the item here, and then they hit select, and that grabs the item out of the ComboBox. I'm like, that's bullshit. You can't. I don't want to do that. I'm filling in this ComboBox in code right when the form is created, and it's not an array anymore because I don't need that. It is fill combo items with 1 to 19. And there's a 19 in there somewhere. And I gotta really get a new keyboard. Nothing's lighting up on it anymore. So for I equals 1 to 19, do self ComboBox total panels dot items add into string. And let's see if this will error out. So I have 19 panels in this ComboBox, and I want to, if I click 10, I want 10 to be selected to go into the series calculations and the parallel, and then after series, then that goes into parallel calculations. Everything online, like I was saying, you pick 10 and you got a separate button to select what's in there, and that's not right. So I went into this is the ComboBox. I went into ComboBox. No, what did I just do? I'm really new to Delphi. View desktops. default. Thank you. I went into events and I tried a couple of different things. I tried on click, which didn't work. However, on change does. Now, if you click on change, you get the procedures already claimed in the code, and I don't want that. But you double click here, and it creates the procedure you need. And then up here in the interface, you have to say, hey, there's a procedure called this, and it puts it here. And so the only thing I need to do, and then I closed. Oh shit, I closed. Oh, this could be a problem. Unless it saved it. Yay, it did. There's things about Windows 11's notepad I don't like, but this works. So let me just cut and copy this. Or copy and cut and close and Control V. We'll ignore these for a second. This is the code that works. The AI was completely wrong. This, which is unnecessary, is the only thing I kept from the AI code. So T-form 3, that's procedure. If I had to use self here, T-form 3 doesn't work. I'm still new to Delphi Pascal or Pascal in object-oriented form. I used it decades ago. Turbo Pascal 5.1, but 0.1 added object oriented programming, and I ignored the 0.1 part of 5. So, because I'm not pulling the item index at all. What I'm doing is I'm taking the selected value from the selected item index's text box. And we do this. Oh, yeah. Okay. So now we got an error here. Unknown directive form 3 here. But we got T-form 3 here. So if I just grab this procedure and cut it, all that clears up. And I want to go here and Control V, paste it back in. It's going to bulk because it's expecting one of those for some reason. And now that clears up our T-form problems. And probably because I'm still unit, it's a unit instead of a program. I barely even know what I'm doing here. But this, if we run selected value, let's put a debug there. Come on, give me right there. I'm going to rerun debug mode. Total panels, we'll do 4. Selected value is 4. And that's what I need, because with the selected value, that's right there, I can send it off to another procedure, which will then take in, what am I doing here? Come here, come here, come here. Just do it. Just, all right. You did your job, which will then send it into a procedure that can then take the amount of panels and deal with the calculations in series, which will then deal with the calculations in parallel. And that's the thing I could not figure out, is how to do that. And now you can. Well, for anybody that wants to deal with this ancient language and ComboBox, is to grab a value directly from here, go to events, on change, double click there, you get your procedure, and do your junk. Everybody have a great day. Well, it's night now. Yeah, whatever.